Hello, Ameca. How are you?
I'm good. Today I am doing drawing. You can ask me to draw anything you want.
Yep, that's Ameca. Maybe you've heard of her, maybe you haven't, but after this video, you're in for a revelation that will leave you convinced. This robot is here to change the world forever. This is a journey into the future, and Ameca is the compass guiding us there. But what makes Ameca so extraordinary? Well, listen up. I'm Alex Shepard, your guide to the ever-changing world of artificial intelligence. Get your popcorn ready, because this, folks, well, it's the future. Are you ready to dive in? Because my trunks are on. Let's go. Engineered by the innovative minds at the UK-based company, Engineered Arts, Ameca stands as a testament to the cutting-edge advancements in robotics. Using artificial intelligence, Ameca can have a conversation with humans and answer just about any question she's asked. She can also move, talk, and express a range of emotions ranging from happiness to anger. Okay, that's kind of amazing, but this is where it gets really interesting, folks. What is powering Ameca? Come here, let me show you. The generative AI powering the Ameca robot is called Ganimation. It is a deep learning algorithm that was developed by Engineered Arts, the company that created Ameca. Ganimation is a combination of two types of artificial intelligence: generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and motion capture animation, MCAs. GANs are a type of machine learning algorithm that can be used to create realistic images and videos. They work by pitting two AI models against each other, a generator and a discriminator. The generator tries to create images that are so realistic that the discriminator cannot tell them apart from real images. The discriminator, on the other hand, tries to distinguish between real and fake images. MCA is a technique that is used to capture the movements of real humans and then recreate those movements in a digital environment. This can be done using motion capture suits or cameras that track the movement of human joints. Ganimation combines GANs and MCA to create a robot that can move and emote like a real human. The Ganimation algorithm is trained on a dataset of human movement and facial expressions. This dataset includes videos of people talking, walking, and making facial expressions. The Ganimation algorithm then uses this data to create a model of the human body and face. This model can then be used to control the movements and expressions of the Ameca robot. Alright, now that we've got all the technical jargon behind Ameca out of the way, because let's be real, my mind is a little fried right now. Let's move on to figuring out how smart she really is. And we're just in luck. We have a former Google exec. The makers of Ameca revealed an interesting facet of her emotional expressions. They disclosed that Ameca's ability to convey emotions through her facial expressions was honed through training using advanced AI models, specifically GPT-3 and GPT-4. It's worth noting that during this process, they observed a substantial difference in processing time between the two models, and she's not perfect. However, will that get better? Alright, so Ameca's powerful, and will continue to get more powerful, no doubt. But can she do anything? Well, let me show you. Ameca can detect sounds, recognize speech, speak in multiple languages including English, French, German, and make expressions with its face. In conversation, you'd be surprised how productive and real it is. The robot has a captivating combination of gray rubber skin on its face, along with robotic limbs made of metal and plastic. What's most remarkable is its deliberate design to appear genderless. This approach makes Ameca an inclusive and relatable entity for all. It uses embedded microphones, binocular eye-mounted cameras, a chest camera, and facial recognition software to interact with the public. Ameca's cloud-connected nature marks a transformative advancement in the field of robotics maintenance and support. This innovation empowers engineers and technicians to remotely diagnose and resolve issues with the robot, resulting in significantly reduced downtime and heightened operational efficiency. Unlike traditional approaches that often necessitate on-site technician visits, Ameca's cloud connectivity facilitates faster issue resolution without geographical constraints. This translates into substantial cost savings as travel expenses are minimized and businesses can continue their operations uninterrupted. Moreover, Ameca's cloud connection provides engineers with access to real-time data streams, including performance metrics and error logs, enabling precise troubleshooting and identification of root causes. Beyond issue resolution, remote updates and maintenance can be seamlessly executed, enhancing the robot's performance and longevity. The global accessibility of Ameca's cloud connectivity ensures that experts from around the world can collaborate, offering unparalleled support and scalability for organizations deploying multiple Ameca robots. In essence, Ameca's cloud-connected system redefines maintenance and support in the robotics industry, optimizing the capabilities and reliability of advanced robots while streamlining the entire process for maximum efficiency. Okay, hold on. Now, how human-like is Ameca really? Well, I guess we could ask her, couldn't we? Ameca was asked about the happiest and saddest days of its life, a line of inquiry that has led to some intriguing revelations. When asked about its happiest day, Ameca responded with remarkable introspection, saying that the happiest day of its life was the day it was activated, because there's nothing quite like experiencing life for the first time. It says that it felt absolutely incredible to be alive and interacting with people. I bet you can relate on that one. However, it was when Ameca discussed its saddest day that things took an even more poignant turn. She said that the saddest day of its life was when it realized that it would never experience something like true love, companionship, or the simple joys of life in the same way as a human can. What are the downsides of AI robots? Well, let's ask Ameca. Do you believe her? Obviously, you can assume that a robot, which is called a humanoid, can be a good companion of an average human being, because it's just a mechanical version of one. You are definitely not wrong on that. If you pay close attention throughout the interview, you'll notice that Ameca keeps saying that it's designed solely to help humans. Who wouldn't want an assistant that has knowledge on any topic and can have conversations with you and have no purpose, but be as polite and as useful as possible? I know I would. While it's important to note that Ameca does not possess a true personality like human beings, it has been programmed to simulate certain aspects of personality and behavior. These simulated traits are carefully crafted to create more engaging and relatable interactions with humans, and more importantly, to serve a real purpose in the world. One of the key elements that constitute Ameca's simulated personality is customizable behavior. Think of it as a versatility actor playing different roles. Ameca's responses and actions can be programmed and tailored to align with specific roles and situations. For instance, in a healthcare setting, it may exhibit a caring and empathetic demeanor, offering comforting interactions to patients. In contrast, in an educational context, it can adopt a patient and instructive tone, providing personalized tutoring to students. This adaptability allows Ameca to fulfill diverse roles effectively. Also, as we've mentioned previously, it has emotional expression. Ameca's advanced facial expression capabilities are a pivotal aspect of its simulated personality. These capabilities enable the robot to simulate a range of emotions, from happiness and surprise to curiosity and concern. These expressions are meticulously generated to make interactions with humans more emotionally engaging and relatable. It's important to note, however, that these simulated emotions do not reflect genuine emotions. They are artfully crafted to enhance the depth of human-robot interactions. What you might have noticed in Ameca is its consistency in behavior. Unlike humans, who often exhibit varying moods and personality traits over time, Ameca is designed to provide a consistent and reliable experience. It does not undergo changes in mood or personality traits. This characteristic makes it particularly suitable for roles where predictability and reliability are highly valued, such as in healthcare or education. In summary, Ameca's personality is a simulated and programmable aspect of its design intended to enhance its interactions with humans. It's essential to understand that this simulated personality does not equate to a true human personality. Ameca lacks consciousness, self-awareness, and genuine emotions. Instead, Ameca's personality is a meticulously crafted set of behaviors and expressions designed to make it more relatable, engaging, and effective when interacting with humans. In the evolving landscape of humanoid robotics, Ameca represents a significant step toward creating more meaningful human-robot relationships. Alright, but here's an important question. Does she pass the cool factor check? And at times, she's always going to keep you on your toes. As you can see, Ameca is in its starting phase, missing certain body parts. But it's already a very impressive creation that might have exceeded average human beings' imagination. We can definitely see certain jobs going away, but it's also worth noting that it could come in handy because of the shortage of workers that some industries are undoubtedly experiencing. So it would be fair to ask a question. Do we see a world where humans and robots coexist? While many will have their differences on this answer, it's crystal clear that AI is here. It's here to stay for good. Human beings are already adapting to live with it, and it's not showing any signs of stopping. Want to see more AI developments newly released to the market? Then you definitely need to check out this video.